So this is my tatsoi. I let go the seed, and now I'm gonna take her up because, yeah, she's ready. She's ready. So let me cut her. Let me cut her down. So I have a box here ready for her. So you can put your your seeds. You could put them in a brown paper bag, or you could put them in a box. Let's see here. You can hear them in there. Oh yeah, they're ready. They're ready. Come on, mama. So I'm gonna put these in here. And I have more. Okay. All right. Put this here and here. Now, usually I like to put them in a bag because what I do is I take the bag and I just squash the bag all around and the seeds fall out, right? But I didn't have a brown paper bag today. So I used what I had, baby. I used what I had. All right, there we go. And I will get them all out. I will put them in a bag or spread them out, but I like to put it in a bag. Just keep things simple and just shake them all around, break them all up in there, Even you can put it in a big freezer bag and just crumble it up with your hands and the seeds will come on out. Anyway, there they are. Boom, I got them. So I have 2 cabbages over here I will not take down because, baby, that's food. So I'm gonna wait for this food. And I'm gonna put some more pepper plants over here. Yeah, that's where they're gonna go. Okay, let's move on to something else. Oh, I need to get this up. That's what I need to do. Let's see here. All right. Some more for the super juice. And use these sticks for something else. Cool. All right. I am just enjoying this beautiful weather in my Zone 9 garden this day, right? I'm also harvesting some Swiss Chard. But I would like to invite you all to my Tuesday night live where I will be discussing why your garden may be struggling. Yeah, so meet me here on Tuesday night at 7 Central Time and let's talk about it, all right? This is what I've harvested so far from my garden. Yeah. And this is many of the leaves that was laying on the ground, right? So, super juice. There it goes. Yeah. So today I am planting out some of my sunflowers. This one, and I'm gonna plant them here. I have lots of flowers coming up over here. Yeah. They're over here by the blackberries. These are 4 o'clocks. They just reseeding, that's all. But they're beautiful. Now that looked like I gotta see what that is. But anyway, let me drop her. All right. So I'm just gonna push that down. It's Stand up, Mama. Good. I'm not worried about the other weeds that's around them. That's fine. They're fighters. That's cool. So I have more. I'm going to put a couple more over by my old tree stump. Yeah, let's do that. All right, so I planted the other sunflowers over here. They're over here with these babies. Now I have others growing around the area with my olive tree. So yeah, let's see how that looks. So I'm behind my onions. They're looking good. And the fig tree is still standing. Oh yeah. It's all good. It's that Greek mountain mint under there. She's doing real good. See, there it is. Greek mountain mint. That's what that is. That brassica is just taking over the pot. Yeah. The last time I shared my artichoke, they were beautiful. You all see that? And it's just maybe a day ago. Then when I look on the back of the leaves, nope, it's not there. Well, I want you to know where he is. He's in the soil. So what they do is they feed at night and then they hide in the soil. They're not very deep. I stirred up this soil. I'm sorry about my shadow, but I want y'all to know where he is. Y'all see him right there? That's him. Oh yeah, he fat. Of course he fat. And usually now, you'll find one big worm or insect to a plant. Now you may find some younger ones, but they're gonna only be one big one. But him, yo, say goodnight to my buddy. Baby, you done had your last supper. This is my pomegranate, and this is my first walk through my garden on this Saturday morning. This is my olive tree. Oh yeah, baby, she giving it up. She giving it up. I love this tree. Yeah. This is my pineapple pear, and yes, she have lots of pears. Oh yeah. This is my blackberries. Now there's blackberries everywhere. Baby, I'm just waiting for them to get juicy and black. Oh yeah, it's a lot of them all over. They looking good this morning. And this is my Fuyu persimmon. I was worried about her earlier, but no need to worry, baby. I was sitting out here just trying to edit a video, and I kept hearing this noise. And yeah, these two in here fighting. Look. She's squeezing her by the mouth. Wow. Where's the female? She's somewhere looking, y'all. I promise you. She looking. Because the winner, the winner gonna be the winner. She's somewhere looking. She is looking. It is about 5:30, 6 o'clock in the evening, and it's time to go in, baby. I'm sitting here with these blueberries, and they're looking real fine. But I'm looking forward for them to turn black. Come on, baby. Yeah. But It's been a beautiful day, absolutely beautiful. I hope you all had a beautiful day as well. All right, guys. Later, y'all.